Welcome back to the EJ Ward Fuel View training series. In this video, we're going to be going over how to add and change manifolds. So to start out, we're going to go ahead and go to the site management folder on the left-hand side. So we're going to click that folder, and then we're going to click on the manifolds page. All we need to do to add a manifold is click on the add record button. Now what a manifold is it's multiple tanks that are connected together. So we're going to start out by putting the site name on there. So we're going to go ahead and go to the test department here. Then we're going to put in a description, which is necessary. So I'm going to put test unleaded because these are going to be two unleaded tanks that are tethered together. And then we need to do a date activated. So when do we want to activate this manifold? I'm going to go ahead and activate this one on the 24th at 12 a.m. So go ahead and select that and hit OK. The active checkbox needs to be checked if you want to keep it active. And then we go ahead and select our tanks here at the bottom. So we can do up to 8 tanks that are connected together. First tank, I'm going to go ahead and go down and find my site information. So it's the test department. And I want to add tank 3 and 5 together. To add these tanks together, they both must be the same fuel type. So I have both of these as unleaded, and they're going to be tethered together. So I'm going to start out with tank number 3. And the second tank I'm going to go is tank number 5. Once we have all the different tanks that we want to tether together, we're going to go ahead and click Save. Once that record is saved successfully, it's going to be inside of our manifolds here. And to change anything on it, all we have to do is go to our test unleaded here. So we can click on the description, and it will take us back to the record. So let's say I don't want that tank anymore. I can take out that tank and put it to a different tank if I want to, but that tank must be in the same site and it must be the same fuel type. So I'm not going to change anything on here because I don't have another unleaded tank, but if I wanted to add another unleaded tank and I wanted to change the manifold to that tank, I can change that as well. Once I have that changed, I can go ahead and hit save. It'll save that record and update the information on that manifold. That concludes the video on how to add and change tank manifolds inside of the Fuel View system. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.